Fulfillment Scenario 4G. For situations where a customer has many Active Directory organizational unit containers and where they have complex rules to determine the placement of a user into a specific OU based on attributes such as location, code, and account type, AIMS provides a mechanism via its HR feed to override the creation of an account in the same OU as the template account. In a simplified version of Scenario 4G, different locations may or may not separate users and contractors, and vendors are always created in a single OU. Consider this Active Directory structure for your company. There are many containers underneath your company locations OU. New York is location code 1, Chicago is location code 2, and San Francisco is location code 3. New York separates employees and contractors, and Chicago and San Francisco lump employees and contractors together. AIMS comes with a provision table that is populated by the customer that uses up to 4 values to form a unique key based on the HR data to determine the fields to override, including the placement of the new account in the proper OU. In our example, the data looks like the following. The key values are the location codes 0, 1, 0, 2, and 0, 3 that represent New York, Chicago, and San Francisco. The column that will determine the placement of the account is the OU column, which contains the distinguished name of the organizational unit. In the HR data, the office column contains the location code, and the employee type column determines whether the account being created is an employee, a contractor, or a vendor. On the AIMS configuration side, 2 items must be specified. First, from the Identity Enforcer HR lookup table, the lookup table must be enabled. Then select the fields that you wish to override from the template account that you're copying from. In the provision definition of the HR feed at the bottom of the screen, map the fields that represent the unique key used to reference the HR lookup table. In our example, that was office and employee type. When you hit the drop-down arrows, all the fields available in the HR data feed are available for selection. When the feed is executed, the values for organizational unit will come from the HR lookup table, guaranteeing that the accounts are created in the correct organizational unit for the location and user type.